Soham Autogas Systems Private Limited, established in 2005 with a vision and mission to bring the best solutions for providing world-class products and services in the field of alternate fuel automobiles, piped natural gas installations, commercial and industrial gas projects, and providing appliances for the gas industry and household applications. Introducing one of the world's most innovative smart stove, designed to address all the requirements of an Indian household. Elegant knobs are designed to suit your grip for controlling the flame and starting the gas flow with a simple push. Exclusive 7 and 8 mm toughened glass top for durability, long life and easy cleaning. Elegant square stainless steel dip tray with heavy duty powder coated pan support for long life and stability are designed keeping in mind the cooking utensils, where 3 medium to large utensils can fit perfectly on the stove. "360-degree revolving brass nozzle ensures the placement of cylinder or gas piping on either side of your stove. The option of high-grade stainless steel or MS powder-coated frame gives a beautiful look and shine to your kitchen. The Indian-style brass burners are specially designed to accommodate the auto ignition and auto cutoff feature and are easy to clean. As we know how important safety is when it comes to kitchen and fire, Soham Smart Stove is equipped and laden with plethora of safety features. This gas stove has an auto gas cutoff system which ensures to cut off the gas supply within 25 seconds if the flame goes off due to milk spillover, wind, child's play or any other similar instances. To further enhance the safety, we have also introduced a child lock feature. Once it is turned on, the gas will not be ignited by auto ignition system. This ensures safety for any mischief by children. In a normal scenario, this button should be kept off while using the stove. Soham Smart Stove is equipped with a battery-operated auto-ignition system. This stove can also work without the battery. In this case, one can ignite the burners by pressing the knob for 5 seconds and using an external lighter or a matchstick. Astonishingly, the auto gas cutoff feature still works even without a battery. This smart stove is certified by ISI and India Design Mark for unique design. The manufacturing and quality standards are also approved by TUV Austria. Soham Smart Gas Stove is available in 3 variants of 2-burner FFD Classic, 3-burner FFD Premium, 4-burner FFD Majestic. Bring in the aspect of safety in your house for your loved ones. Upgrade to Soham Safety Gas Stove. Make your decision today. Call us at 727 606 7892.